Hello there, and welcome to this lesson. This is 11 plus verbal reasoning type L questions. Let's just show you how this works. So first of all, you've got the alphabet there, which you need to refer to in order to answer these questions. Now, it's very important that you do refer to the alphabet and go back and forth because we're looking at sequences here. So choose the pair of letters that continue the series of the sequences below. Now we need to work out what the pattern is in these certain questions so we can add the answer into the blank that's provided with us. Let's have a look at this first particular pattern. So if you see here, A plus 1 is going to be B. B plus 1 is C. And C plus 1 is D. And D plus 1 is E. So we can see this pattern there. So A plus 1 is B, B plus 1 is C, C plus 1 is D, D plus 1 is E, and then we know that E plus 1, if you look at our alphabet on top, will be F. So in this case, F will go here on top in our blank. Let's look at the second letter. So let's just add this on for you. So we're just adding one in this case. Let's look at the second letters on the sequences. So J minus 1 is I minus 1 is H. Now we're looking at the second letters of this sequence. H minus 1 is G, G minus 1 is F, and then F minus 1 is going to be E. So with the top sequences, we're adding 1 each time, and the bottom sequence, we're minusing 1 each time. Okay, but be careful because every single question in these certain questions, the sequences are very, very different. So you just need to make sure that you go through the sequences individually, letter by letter, and you can even jump hoops as well. So for the next questions, let's say, for example, the question's going forward. You can even jump hoops, so you can go this way as well, or you can just go this way, or you can go this way. So there's various different types of patterns in these questions. So do try your best, and then we'll get together and we'll go through every single question in our class, in our live class very soon. Good luck. Thank you.